A multi-tool is any one of a range of portable, versatile hand tools that combine several individual functions into a single unit. It's not easy picking the best multi-tool, mainly because everyone's need for one is different. Also, there may be no unique multi-tool that's perfect for everyone, but there should be one that's almost perfect for anyone's Richter HR-100 comes with the included 1000D tough nylon case, and the ultra-tough all 440 stainless steel construction ensures this multi-tool lasts you for a lifetime of use and abuse. Not only is it a multi-tool that you can use to fix and repair almost any household, camping, or survival need, but it can also double as a self-defense device if needed. Also, it offers 13 features, which include needle nose spring-loaded pliers, wire cutters, can opener, bottle opener, medium slotted screwdriver, small straight edge blade, metal file, large slotted screwdriver, ultra safe locking mechanism, a saw, mini slotted screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a large straight edge knife blade all await you.